Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use Gemini Live on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Advanced Features. From here, just tap on Side button, then tap on Long Press. Now, instead of Power Off menu, just select Digital Assistant. After doing that, you will be able to enable Google Gemini by pressing and holding the Power button. Or you can install Google Gemini from the Google Play Store. Now, after you enable Gemini on your Samsung phone, now just enable Gemini by pressing and holding the side button or just open the Gemini app. Then tap on Gemini Live from here.
Hi, I'm Gemini. We're about to go live.
As you can see, we have enabled Gemini Live on our Samsung phone. From here, just select a voice for Gemini Live. For an example, I will select this one, then tap on Start.
You can always change my voice in settings.
Now you can play and pause Google Gemini by tapping on this button. Now to use Google Gemini, you can basically do three main things. You can either speak with Google Gemini, like, how's the weather in Chicago?
Currently in Chicago, it's 6 degrees Celsius, though it feels like 4 degrees Celsius.
Will it rain soon?
There's a 10% chance of rain today in Chicago.
Just like that. Now for the second method, you can use the camera on your Samsung phone to ask Google Gemini about the objects around you. For that, just tap on the camera icon over here.
I understand that if I tap the camera icon,
now you can ask Google Gemini about the objects which is seeing using the cameras on your smartphone. For example, what is this object?
I see a white box with black writing on it. It says Galaxy A17 at the top and Airlink underneath that. What would you like to know about it?
Is it available in USA?
Yes, the Samsung Galaxy A17 is available in the USA. You can find it on Amazon and at Walmart. Would you like to know more about the phone itself or perhaps some pricing information?
For the second method, to use Gemini Live, you can share the screen of your smartphone with Google Gemini and you can ask it about the objects or the apps on the screen. For that, just tap on this icon and select entire screen from here. Then tap on Start. Now you can ask Gemini Live about anything on the screen. For an example, how can I open YouTube?
To open YouTube, you'll need to look for the YouTube icon on your phone screen. It looks like a red triangle inside a white square. Do you see it?
Is it available on my home screen?
Yes, the YouTube icon is visible on your home screen. It's located on the third row, second icon from the left, right next to the Play Store icon. Would you like to open it?
No, thank you. And this is how you can use Gemini Live on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.